Hello friends, hope all is well at your end and welcome back to my channel. So very soon Navratras are going to begin. These are Chaitra Navratras, but many of us also fast during these Navratras. And here is a simple dish which is the most popular one, Sabudana Khichdi. Many prefer to eat this as it is light and can be made very fast. And the fasting version, we add very few ingredients. The normal days you can make it nice and spicy with all the chilies and spices you want, you can add to it. But today let's get started and make the Farali version of Sabudana Khichdi. Farali Sabudana Khichdi. This is a quick and light meal that you can make and enjoy when you are fasting. It is delicious and hardly takes time to prepare. For this we'll require 1 cup of sabudana or as needed. You have to soak it for a few hours. Just add enough water to cover them. The grain should be completely immersed in water. And now we are going to set this aside for a few hours at least. I have already soaked some so that we can start the cooking process immediately. This is how they should be, puffed up, nice and grainy. Each grain should be separate. They should not be mushy. Then you will get a perfect khichdi. And we have 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 to 3 tablespoons of roasted and crushed peanuts, 2 potatoes boiled and cut into small pieces. We have rock salt or senda namak, half teaspoon of amchoor powder, mango powder. You can even use lemon juice instead. Quarter teaspoon of crushed black pepper, half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Detailed recipe link and ingredients list is given in the description box. Check it out. Now let's start cooking. Heat the oil in a pan. You can also use ghee if you like. Add the cumin seeds and we'll let them crackle. Now add the potatoes and stir fry them. I like to fry the potatoes a bit so that they are nice and crispy in texture. Now add salt and amchoor powder followed by black pepper and crushed peanuts. Give them a toss. If you are okay with eating green chilies, you can add those also. Now add the soaked sabudana and immediately you start stirring everything. Do not stop. You have to stir continuously. This is the trick. If you leave them, they'll get stuck to each other and become mushy. So the whole cooking process has to be done this way. Continue to stir until the sabudana grains become translucent or transparent. They change the color. Normal days when we make sabudana khichdi, we add a lot of spices to it. But because this is Farali version, it is plain. I make those with many variations also, adding podi sometimes, curry leaf podi or beetroot. There are many variations you can try out during the normal days. This is nearly getting done. You can see the sabudanas have become transparent. They change the color. So this is a simple Farali version, just 4 ingredients added to it. It is done. Let's dish it out. It is best enjoyed when it is made and served immediately. You can have it plain, or if you wish you can have a chutney with it. You check out the recipe of the Farali chutney that I've posted earlier. It's made with peanuts, either just peanuts or peanuts with coconut. So here we go. Make and enjoy this khichdi on your fasting days. Do check out the other Farali recipes also. I have made quite a few of them. The playlist is shared in the description box and I button. Happy fasting! If you are a new visitor to the channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notifications about the new uploads. Here are some videos from the archives. Do check them out. We'll soon be back with another new recipe. Bye until then. Have a nice day.